Today is 22nd of May. Market opened with a gap and closed poor, down 55 points at 2499 with increased volume. Now this is probably in reactions to the law that is passed by the Chinese government, the Security Act on Hong Kong, and the market actually was fearful of the further tension between US and China, and as a result actually they will sell down in the Asia Pacific markets, particularly the Hong Kong markets. Now over here is quite evident market is actually stuck in a trailing range. You can see the converging of the two moving averages, and the swing gets smaller. Right now is actually crucial because the supports has been tested on several occasions. So if it fails, then we may test this much low. So we got to be cautious at this point in time. Now I mentioned in the last few videos that actually markets are more biased towards the downside, and so we just have to be more cautious. Now let's take a look at the stocks that we'll be discussing. The strongest stock is actually Top Glove. Now despite today's market's weakness, stock actually held up quite well. Trade inside days and at the top end of this breakout bar. Notice the volume is also low. Look for a decisive break above 398. Now if the stock were to trade sideways, close up the daylight, that is generally healthy. Let's continue. Reverse tone. Now this stock is a bit overextended as compared to Top Gloves, and because of this, you notice it's actually start to consolidate sideways. Alright, notice the daylight is also quite huge. Now if we continue to trade sideways, that is positive, and look for eventual break above the high of 197. Mantex was approaching the resistance, the prior high. Notice that it has weakened. The volume is actually low, so today there is some selling, but these are probably caused by nervous investors. So again, we'd like to see how it turn out. If we can trade sideways, that will be positive, and look for eventually break above this recent high here of 0197. UJ Healthcare. Stock is actually inching up, approaching this resistance. There is a pullback. Again, look for a decisive break above the high here of 365. But this stock will be more tricky because there are very obvious overhead resistance, particularly at this level here at about 375. Sheng Siong. Stock with a very nice run up is right now resting, trading sideways. This is generally nice because the consolidation patterns are quite shallow. Again, we like to wait for it to complete its consolidation, the break above 159. Now this stock we already discussed, CMC Gold Mine. There were a recent run in the gold. Now notice actually over here there's a breakouts with very high volume followed by pullback. Volume actually drop off, which is healthy. Again, like to wait for it to finish, eventually take out this high here of 225. Let's turn our attention to the manufacturing stocks. Is right now retracing. This is AAM, the strongest of the whole lot. Again, overextended, which is the topping tail, and right now it's actually retracing towards the moving averages. Now we would actually like to see this stock continue to trade sideways. That will help to digest the recent gain because this is extremely strong run. Again, wait for it to finish its consolidations and eventually take out this high here. This high here, it's at 327. Now most of the other stocks has weakened quite significantly. This is UMS. It's quite near this resistance mentioned, $1, and notice there's a deep corrections, and today there was some action as well. Slightly higher volume but not very significant, still below average. Again, with the deep corrections, it's likely to be stuck in the trailing range.